Hey, what's up, everyone? Today, I'm diving into one of nature's best kept secrets for anti aging ginseng. You might have heard about its health benefits, but did you know it's also a game changer for youthful skin? Let's explore 7 super easy ginseng hacks to keep those wrinkles at bay. Hack number 1: Ginseng tea. It's not just for sipping, folks. Brew a cup of ginseng tea, let it cool, and use it as a toner. It helps tighten your skin and boosts elasticity. Plus, it's like a mini spa session at home. Next up, ginseng face mask. Mix ginseng powder with a bit of honey and yogurt to create a thick paste. Apply it to your face. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and rinse off. This combo hydrates your skin and reduces fine lines. Trust me, it's like magic in a bowl. Hack 3: Ginseng infused oil. You can make this yourself by soaking ginseng roots in a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil for a couple of weeks. Use this infused oil as a night serum. Your skin will thank you in the morning. Fourth on the list is ginseng eye cream. Dark circles and puffiness? Not anymore. Mix ginseng extract with some aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil. Dab it gently around your eyes before bed. Wake up looking refreshed and ready to conquer the day. Let's move on to hack number 5: Ginseng steam facial. Add a few drops of ginseng essential oil to a bowl of hot water. Lean over it with a towel over your head to trap the steam. This opens up your pores, allowing the ginseng to penetrate deeply and rejuvenate your skin. Plus, it feels super relaxing. Number 6 is a ginseng body scrub. Mix ginseng powder with some coconut oil and brown sugar. Use it in the shower for an all-over body scrub. It exfoliates dead skin cells, leaving your skin soft and glowing. Say goodbye to dull skin. Taking ginseng in pill form can boost your overall skin health from the inside out. It helps fight oxidative stress, which is a major cause of aging. Always remember to check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. So there you have it, folks. 7 easy ways to incorporate ginseng into your skincare routine for that youthful glow. Give these hacks a try and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health and beauty tips. Thanks for watching and stay youthful.